Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to improve audio recording quality on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. To improve your audio recording quality, go to Play Store and search for an app named Dolby On, then install it. And now when the app is installed, you can click on Open, then you can hear the demo. I'm gonna skip it for now. You can sign up for emails if you want, and you can allow Dolby to collect data. And now click on the microphone and click on while using the app, and now the microphone permissions have been granted, so you can start recording audio by clicking on the microphone button. She sells seashells by the seashore. I've recorded the test recording, and now we're gonna see how does it sound. Click on the recording and now you can play it. Let me just turn the volume up. She sells seashells by the seashore. You can disable Dolby to hear how did the audio sound without the improvement. She sells seashells by the seashore. And you can enable it to hear the difference. She sells seashells. You can also go to Tools to adjust the style, noise, tone, boost and trim. You can change the noise reduction by the seashore. Style. She sells seashells by the seashore. And the tone as well. She sells seashells by the seashore. And when you're done with all of that, it's done and you can share it by clicking on the share button. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.